Hello guys, welcome to Desi Bytes. Today I'm going to be making another Desi dish, and that is going to be Bhuna Aloo. Couple of quick facts about Bhuna Aloo. The way that I'm going to be making it is the typical style that it's done in UP, and it's absolutely vegetarian because in UP there are a lot of people who don't even eat onion and garlic. So this is a through and through pure vegetarian recipe without any onions and without any garlic. So let's just start. Oil's hot. First things, some jeera inside the pan. Fry the jeera. And no, this is not jeera aloo. In case if you're thinking this is jeera aloo, this is not jeera. Once your jeera starts smoking, add in turmeric, puri lal mirch, and just mix that together. Once that's set, you get your boiled potato, crush it. So guys, now I'm going to be adding Amchoor Powder to this because that is what elevates this Bhuna Aloo. And season it with salt. Back in UP, this aloo is made in a kadai, but you can make it in a non-stick, it's fine. The point is basically to keep boiling the aloo till at least one or two sides of it get a little charred. This is what I have grown up on. So whenever when it was time to go back to boarding school, we always used to take a road trip back to boarding school. So for the journey, Bhuna Aloo and puris used to be packed. You can see that it's getting that charred texture, the aloo. That's the masala that really sticking to it. So every bite you take is going to be full of tanginess from the amchoor and spices from turmeric, jeera and red chili. It's just great, it's great. Okay guys, so this is ready and I'm going to plate it now. Bhuna Aloo ready, on top a little bit of dhania, and what you can do is that you can squeeze some lime on it and it's going to be absolutely delicious. I love it, man. I really like it. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in another episode. Try out the Bhuna Aloo. It's my childhood favorite. It's really good. See you.
Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to Desi Bytes. Today's recipe is very interesting and it's very easy. It is roasted potatoes with bacon. So now some oil in the pan. So now I'm going to fry some bacon. The bacon has become crispy, we're going to take it off the flame. Baby potatoes baked at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. In the bacon fat, you will add chopped garlic. Once the garlic has toasted brown, so now we have added tomato puree. We're going to let the tomato puree and the garlic cook for a bit. In this we will add salt, some pepper, and some fresh parsley. Mix this all together. Once that is done, I'm going to add in the baby potatoes, the bacon, and give it a good stir. Done. Now on this, we're going to add our final ingredient, Parmesan cheese. Add on top just some fresh parsley. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have a feeling that you will try this at home because it is so easy and so delicious. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you all are going to take care. Bye.